Ready, set, go!
Welcome to Geeky Mom, where we learn about science while building super fun geeky stuff. We previously talked about potential energy and how it can be converted into kinetic energy, which is the energy of motion. Today I will show you how a taller track, which means greater potential energy, leads to a faster ball because of increased kinetic energy. The greater the energy of motion, the higher the velocity. So for today, I built a track on an inclined slope. My challenge was to use all the white curve tiles I had in my various sets and expansions. I also thought it would be fun to try and fill all the spaces of the 12 base plates I used. Well, the kids wanted to add their own touch. Fun fact, did you know that there are over 3 billion Playmobil figures on planet Earth? By the way, did you spot the 5 sets of twins? No? Let's look closely again.
Ready, let's increase the slope. Ready, set, go!
And now we've got bloopers!
Ready, set, go! Ready, set, go!
enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe or leave me a comment. Je parle aussi français, ich verstehe auch Deutsch. Thanks for watching, see you next time! Coming up soon on Geeky Mom, some pretty cool Gravitrax circuits with some cool slow motion footage and also an insanely high Gravitrax tower. A Hubelino Lego Duplo marble race and much more. See you soon!